DoD Approved 8,570 certifications. Certification 1, CompTIA Security Plus. CompTIA Security Plus equips you with essential cybersecurity skills, from network security to risk management. It opens doors to various entry-level cybersecurity positions. Benefits: increased job opportunities, industry recognition, skill enhancement. Certification 2, Certified Ethical Hacker, CHA. Become an ethical hacker with CHA. Learn to identify vulnerabilities, assess risks, and secure systems. Valued by organizations worldwide. Benefits: ethical hacking skills, career advancement, defense against cyber threats. Certification 3, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP. CISP validates your expertise in designing, implementing, and managing secure business environments. A globally recognized standard. Benefits: top-level expertise, career advancement, international recognition. Certification 4, Certified Information Security Manager, CISM. CISM focuses on information security management. Gain skills in governance, risk management, and incident response. Benefits: management-level expertise, leadership opportunities, business alignment. Certification 5, Certified Cloud Security Professional, CCSP. CCSP focuses on cloud security and enables you to secure cloud environments and protect sensitive data. Benefits: cloud security expertise, in-demand skill set, career growth in cloud computing.
Subscribe to our channel for more such videos.